Do subscribe to Rajshri Food and don't forget to click on the bell icon to get regular recipe notifications. In restaurants, when we crave for something spicy, we usually tend to lean towards Veg Kolhapuri. On face value, it looks like a very complicated dish, but today I'm going to show you how to make it at home. Let's start with roasting a few spices. I have 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds here, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon poppy seeds. This is optional, so if you have some, you can add it. 2 cloves and a few pieces of cinnamon, 2 Kashmiri dry red chillies, and also 1.5 tablespoons of dry coconut. Just dry roast all these ingredients. Once the coriander seeds change color, let's turn off the flame. First, I'm going to de-seed these chilies. I'm using Kashmiri Red Chillies, but if you like it more spicier, you can even use Kolhapuri chilies. Let's add all these ingredients to the grinder. First, let's dry grind all these ingredients. Let's add some water to make a smooth paste. With this, let's add in 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder and half a teaspoon of Asafoetida. Let's grind this once again. And this masala paste is ready. And now, let's get cooking. In a pan, I'm going to heat 1.5 tablespoons of ghee. Once the ghee is nice and hot, let's add in 1 shredded onion. Cook the onion till they are slightly brown. Next, let's add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts, and 1 capsicum cross-cut. Saute all these ingredients for 2 minutes. Next, let's add the ground masala. Saute the masala as well. After sauteing the masala for 2 minutes, let's add in 2 tomatoes boiled and pureed. I would love to spice this up with 3 extra green chilies that I've roughly chopped. Cook this for at least 4 to 5 minutes. The tomato puree is dried out and also you can see the oil has separated from the masala. Now let's add in the vegetables. I have some steamed vegetables over here, about 8 to 10 French beans, 1 small potato, 2 florets of cauliflower, 1 carrot, and also half a cup of green peas. Let's toss all these vegetables together. And now let's add in some water to give it the gravy consistency. Let's add in the salt. And last but not the least, coriander leaves. The vegetable is ready. Let's turn off the flame. Restaurant style Veg Kolhapuri is ready. Next time before ordering in, please do give this a try. I'm sure you'll love it. Do comment below, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.